Okay, this is a 2018 Nissan Sentra. We're going to take some quick measurements here. So you'll see at the widest part, the trunk is about 46 inches wide at the widest point, but then it narrows down here, the lowest point, to about 32 inches approximately. Let's see the length here. From the top is right about 19 inches from the bottom of the trunk to that top plate there. Now, one big thing to consider here is inside the trunk itself. If you're going to be trying to load something in to the back seat through the trunk, this tunnel here is about 38 inches wide, and it's only about a little less than 21 inches tall. So that's definitely one of the constricting places. As far as the width of the trunk at its widest point, it's approximately 55 inches wide. You can see that's for a relatively short period, and it's about 41 inches to the back of the seat pan for the back seat. Now, if we go around here to the back door, you'll see at its widest point, about 31 inches, and about 37, let's see, at its widest point, about 38 3/4 inches tall. You can see, I mean, it definitely gets narrow as we go. All right, thanks a lot for watching.